Today I'm sharing one of my favorite and easiest side hustles, tutoring and teaching English on Cambly. I'm Shawn, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. I get this question all the time. Do you work? How do you finance living abroad? The short answer is no, I don't have a job. I don't clock in. I have a 6-step plan I follow, designed my life to retire early and live abroad. I paid off my debt and I saved my money. I live off my savings. That is how I sustain my life living abroad. I've linked that video above, and also read the comments because I do respond to people's questions, and it's really some of the same questions about what do I do for work and things of that nature. So those are answered in the comments. That being said, I do have side hustles. Okay, I've had a side hustle of teaching English, particularly on Camle, for the past 9 going on 10 years. But let me be clear, the side hustles do not sustain my lifestyle here abroad. A side hustle for me is something that I enjoy doing. I've been doing for years. It's not a necessity, but it is something that I keep in my back pocket just in case I need it. What makes Camle my favorite side hustle is the simplicity and the flexibility. A side hustle shouldn't be something you dread or feel like work. It's easy. Get in there, do what you gotta do, make your money, and get out. It's just that simple. That's what a side hustle is for me. With Camle, I log on, chit chat, make some quick cash, log off, get paid in a week, and I'm good. Let me explain how Camle works, the requirements, and why you should have this side hustle in your back pocket. So you should set up now and add to your repertoire. I have a referral code that I'll link below. But people all over the world who travel abroad, live abroad, they're teaching English on Camle to sustain their lifestyle, especially in countries like Southeast Asia where the cost of living is lower. This is perfect for them. They have the flexibility to design their own schedule and to teach when they feel like it and when they need to. This is how you hustle, baby. This is how you finesse what you have to get what you want. Camle is an online tutoring service connecting English learners with native speakers. English has to be your native language. They have 2 separate programs, Cambly Kids and Camle for adults, from diverse backgrounds. You help students practice their English pronunciation, reading, comprehension. You don't have to do any lesson plans. The company already has that set up. So if you're teaching on Cambly Kids, they have a lesson plan already set up for you, and you just go through the lesson plan with the child. Adults is really, they just want to have a conversation to practice their pronunciation, their comprehension. Some people want to read. Some people just want to talk to you and want you to correct them as they go along. But you got to do that through a dialogue, and it has been exciting. I like it because I've been able to meet some wonderful people from Saudi Arabia, from China, from Japan, from Taiwan, from Brazil. Those are some of the countries represented. It's just really diverse. You learn about them and their culture, their ways, and they're learning about you all through this English learning platform. Each adult tutoring lesson can range from 15 minutes to an hour. It depends on what they sign up for. Camle Kids is 30 minutes, and that's enough for kids, okay? There are no minimum hours or required schedules. Tutors can log on at any time from any place around the world. This makes it perfect for earning extra cash while balancing other jobs, travel plans, and your family. I love it. Let me tell you how I use it. About a month ago, I needed 2 Apple cords. I knew that would cost me about $46, $50. I said, you know what? I haven't been online. And let me tell you something. They do not deactivate your account. Last year, I was on there once. And they'll send you a message. We still want to see you online. We're looking forward to having you online. We have not deactivated your account. They do not deactivate your account, and I love that because I may not go on there all the time. But I said, you know what? Let me make a little change to pay for these cords. Let me hop on and see what's going on. I still want to keep my account active, even though they don't deactivate it. I went on there, made my $50, and I was done. Because you can see how much you make after each call. You get paid within a week, and I'll talk more about that later. But I love the flexibility. I even love going on there because I'm traveling around the world talking with people in those countries because the country list is so diverse and it's places I've been and I'm traveling to and gain insight for them. So I think it's mutually rewarding, and that's how I use it. At the holiday, they have bonuses. And once you get in there, you'll see how it works, but it's guaranteed hours. And if no one shows up on the call, you're guaranteed payment, and they guarantee that someone's going to call you because it's the bonus hours. Easy, I can make money quicker that way. During the holidays, I make sure that I log on so that I can make more money during that time. If you're in Southeast Asia, $100 in Vietnam can pay for your meals for the month. It can buy you a whole bunch of groceries. It can pay for you a week stay at a very nice hotel in the Chang around Vietnam. My hotel cost me, it was about $100. Okay, let me go online and make this $100 real quick. That's how you use it. You know, you need extra cash, or you just need it for bill money, or whatever you need it for. It's just a good side hustle that's easy, it's simple, it's not complicated. You do it when you feel like it. Be in and be out. Let's talk about payments. Payments are made weekly through PayPal, and they have another system, but I use PayPal. The hourly rates are $10.20 per hour for Cambly adults and $12 per hour for Cambly Kids. You might think, that's not much, but with remote work, you have the flexibility to design your own schedule, work anytime. It's a side hustle for when you need money. Use it strategically to get what you need. That's the real value in it. Here are the requirements for Camle. You need to be a native English speaker, at least 18 years old, and have a strong internet connection. Check this out. No degree, prior teaching experience, or certificates are required. Now that's easy. From the comfort of your home, any time of the day, any place in the world, just as long as you have the internet, you can't beat that. To sign up for Camle, I've linked my Camle referral code in the description box below, and it benefits both of us. If you sign up for Cambly Kids using my referral link, we both receive $30 once you tutor a minimum of 10 hours or more. If you use my link to sign up for tutoring adults, depending on the region, we both can earn a bonus. The application process is simple. You fill out the application, you answer a few questions, and you do a short intro video. There are no live interviews or demo lesson required. Once your application is approved, you can get online and start making money. I honestly find Camle to be a rewarding experience. I love that I can get online and there's a variety of students I can have conversations with. They're not just students, some are professionals. We have doctors on here. I've talked to lawyers, pilots. They just have to improve their English language skills. Professionals from all over the world. It's just really a diverse group of students. And it's fun, and it's what you make of it. Cambly's flexibility makes it an ideal side hustle. Whether it's covering small expenses or earning more, Camle fits your lifestyle. Be sure to use my referral code so that we both can receive a bonus. I wanted to address this issue of what do you do for work? how do you make your money to live abroad. This is a side hustle in my back pocket that I think everyone should have. I'm sharing it with you, and hopefully you get set up and you use it when you need it. Check out the video linked above, Return Abroad. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, y'all, peace.